everyone, hope you're well. Thanks for watching, and if you're new to my channel, thank you for coming along and watching me for the first time. This is just a really short video, and I just wanted to share some magical moments that I've had and some items I've had in the mail as well that I've ordered. So I think I'm going to start off first of all with the items I've ordered in the post, and then I'll come on to talking about my wonderful friends and what they've done. So yeah, so I'm going to put my glasses on so I can see, because else I won't be able to see, so I won't be able to describe. So there we go. Yay! You're in focus, I can see you in the top. And if you've watched my other videos, I've had my nails mended, yay! Oh, I feel bare without my nails done. Anyway, the first thing I ordered, I was watching one of my friends' channels, and they're based over here in the UK, and they're called That UK Disney Couple. I'll put the link down below. If you've not watched them and you fancy finding somebody new to watch, go and check them. They're really funnier, and as their confidence is growing, because they started I think about the same time as me, and we're all a bit nervous to start with, aren't we? But as they're growing, they're getting really funny. So yeah, so go and check them out. But I was on their, I think it was their Instagram account actually, and I saw that Cheryl had actually bought one of these. So guess what I did? So look what I've just bought. I had to buy one, and it was in the sale. It should have been £7. I can't remember what I paid. I think it was something silly like £4 or £5, but I saw Cheryl got one, so I had to get one of those. You know, if you're in the car when you've got loads of change and you want to keep change there for your car park, because otherwise you never got change in your purse for the parking meter. So I thought, how fab is that? You can't miss that, can you? And to have a bit of Pascal with me in my car, I thought was fabulous. So thanks, Cheryl, I love it. Thanks for being a bad influence. I don't need any more help shopping. Really don't need any more help shopping. But yeah, I love that. So that's the first thing I've had. And then the other thing, my wonderful friend Melissa, her Instagram and her YouTube channel is Pixie Dust and Peaches. If you've not gone and watched it, please go over and watch her. She's funny, she's informative, she covers that many subjects, and it's really interesting. So she's all round, everything she does is fabulous. So please go and check her out. And that's how we started and became friends, was I was watching her, I messaged her and we started talking, and we got so much in common, and I think the world of her. So yeah, so anyway, on my last trip I was sat there in Epcot Sunshine Seasons, is it, downstairs, waiting for my breakfast to come, and she sent me a message, quick Karen, you've got to go onto the Disney website, because they've now got the new album back in stock for all the Mickey Memories pin sets, the Mickey Mouse Memories ones. So I went on. Now I haven't looked at this yet, I've just took it out of the box because my camera's resting on the box. That's how I levitate my camera on the table. So I've not even had a look. So we should have a look, it's come. So there was me in Epcot, sat there on my phone, ordering away, trying to tell Phil I wasn't really ordering anything while we were in Disney. Yeah, well, that wasn't going to work, was it? And I have to say, this is huge. I didn't think it'd be this big. I'm actually really amazed on the, look how big it is. Seriously, on the picture, I thought it was a really diddy little thing. That's amazed me. And that was £20. So, let's open it. You know, when you see pictures and they don't do them right, the sizing doesn't look right, and it looks so little, and I thought, oh, it's a lot of money. But okay, it'll keep them nice. And one missing though, I keep getting onto all these bandwagons a bit late, but because I've only started, so I'm missing number 2 of the set. There's a bit of a story there. I did order them off a Facebook website that is a reputable one, and they dealt with the individual very well. But I ordered, he said he got 2 sets, and yes, they were genuine, and yes, he'd bought them, and yes. But when they come, instead of it saying there, pin set of 3, it actually said PIM. P-I-M set of 3, and the picture was different, and but anyway, you know what I'm saying. Oh wow, okay. It said you got a free Okay, right, I'm not very good at opening things. Right, so this is it. Oh, well, I didn't think it'd be like this. I don't know actually what I actually thought it would be like. Oh, that's really cool. So, I'm guessing I have to take that out and that off. Or maybe not. So in here, it comes with a free, is it a coin? Hide my face and it'll get in focus. There we go. What is that? Oh, a limited release. I don't know what it is. Should we have a look? Oh, it's a pin. Karen, you are daft. So it's a Mickey Mouse pin. Look, can you see that? How fab is that? So that comes, so that's free, and that is a limited release. So that means after so long they'll pull them. It doesn't say that it's going to have like 3,000 copies. It's just a limited release, so it's for a time only. So that there will go, I'm guessing, in that pocket there. And then each page has got enough for 2. I don't know if you can see that. So 2. So then one of these will fit in there and keep them all lovely. How lovely is that? Oh, thanks, Melissa. I really thought it was little, like a bit like an autograph book. I had no clue. So that's really lovely, isn't it? It's embossed on the front. It's got Mickey Mouse on the back. So yes, that's absolutely fabulous. Oh, I keep catching my bangle on my top. So that's absolutely fabulous. So really pleased with that. Thanks, Melissa. We're each other's personal shoppers, really. Shh, Brad, I didn't say that. I really didn't say that. I'm not really. It's just a coincidence. Anyway, we'll move on. Oh, how long ago was it now? I'm terrible. I put it on my Facebook, on my Instagram account. But I haven't done a video. I didn't know whether I was going to or not because I feel a bit awkward about doing it. But I just need to because she's such an amazing lady. And I just want everybody in the world to know how kind she is. I suddenly had this parcel come. And when I opened it, she took my breath away. First of all, we'd been chatting about the Mickey Memories, the pins, and every month for a year they have a pin set, they have a mug, and they have a plush, which in England we call the Cuddly Toys, the Mickey Cuddly Toys. And the Cuddly Toys, the plushies, you can't get for love nor money unless you stood outside one of the shops at probably, I don't know, 5, 6 o'clock in the morning, and then you'll get one. Or if you're up and you've got the fastest finger in the east, pressing away on the internet the moment they go on sale. And we'd be talking a while, and we don't know if it's the 60s or 70s, but it reminds us of the Bay City Rollers and all of that. And look, she sent me one. She got up at a ridiculously early hour to order herself, and I don't know if she ordered a sister one as well, or whether Mitzi got her own, and they ordered a spare one for me. Isn't that wonderful? Yeah, I'm so touched. And he actually, I haven't named him yet. I shouldn't I? I need to get a name that's a bit of a mashup of Melissa and Mitzi. So have a think and put it down below. And because both the names start with an M, and this is Mickey, that'd be lovely, wouldn't it? So yeah, so although he's Mickey, he's got to have a little name as well. And he sits in my office behind my computer. So whenever I'm up there editing videos, both Melissa and her sister Mitzi, they're both with me. So I think that's lovely, and I was so touched. And who would have ever dreamt I would be lucky enough to have one of these? But this wasn't all she put in the box. This is what I mean, it really took my breath away. They sent me some pins. Pins that I can't get, because in the UK, if we go on the website, there's certain pins we can order and certain ones we can't, and limited editions we just really can't get hold of unless we're there or someone's picking them up for us, or in shops. So she sent me these 3 sets. Now I think these were from Target. I got confused. I haven't got the note anymore, but look, because she knows I love collecting pins and that I've only just started, so I've got all the Mickey ones, those ones there. I've got those ones there. These are by Junk Food. I think they were in Target, or was it Walmart? I can't remember. And those, how wonderful is that? And in my new haul that I've just recorded, I've just put there, I bought a pin trading a binder, so now I can actually put these in properly in my books. I'm thrilled. Then she also got me these ones. Can't remember where these were from. Look at those. Maleficent, and I collect Maleficent as well. I don't know if did I collect Maleficent? Did I collect Maleficent? I don't know if I collected her at the time you sent these. I can't remember. But isn't that wonderful? Then, I haven't finished. Her sister Mitzi hasn't got a YouTube channel, but she does feature heavily in Melissa's channel. But she's got an Instagram account, and her Instagram is Bells of Cotton, so I'll put that down here as well. And she got up, I think it was 3 AM they told me, to get the Stunning Silhouettes range. I think that I mean, it's impossible to get them. They're a limited edition of 300. And look what she sent me off her own collection. I now have the Snow White silhouette, and it's absolutely beautiful. I've just taken this. It's actually been on my pin board upstairs, but I took it off because I wanted to show you. And such kindness. I mean, they've both got up at such early hours, and they've sent me prize things, and I'm so blessed. And I didn't expect it, and I certainly didn't deserve it. And to send a gift like this, it's amazing. And I also had the most beautiful note as well. But that's not it either. She also sent me some of these bands, wristbands, and I was wearing those in the parks on my last trip. There's another one. I've actually put some in my suitcase so I don't forget them. They're with my mini ears, and there's one there with a beautiful saying on it as well. So yeah, so I got those. I love those. I'm not finished. That's not where it finishes. Yesterday, there was a knock on the door, and she told me she'd sent me something, and we keep telling each other off, we really do. And then I got this lovely package at the door, and I was absolutely gobsmacked again. I can't get on, as many of us know, you can't get on the Disney Studio, what is it? Disney Studio Shop Hollywood, is that right? DSSH, something like that. And you can't, oh, it's here. Disney Studio Store Hollywood even. And I cannot get on there. You can only get on there, as I understand, when there's a Facebook promotional link you click on, and then you can shop other things, as I understand. And I'd seen that Melissa had been on there, and she got 2 pins, and I was so excited for her, and they were so beautiful. This came yesterday because I collect Rapunzel, and she sent me the most beautiful note saying that she'd seen my collection and she knew I collected Rapunzel, so she knew she belonged with me. I mean, absolutely amazing. And another beautiful letter. And I think the most important thing is we never know who we're going to meet, where or how important they're going to become, and how they're going to change your world by who they are. And Melissa and Mitzi have certainly done that, so I can't thank you enough, you know that. But I just wanted everybody to know just how truly kind and wonderful you both are. So that's it. If I say any more, she'll kill me. Mitzi will tell me she'll get me by the britches again. So yeah, so if you don't watch them, go and watch Melissa on her YouTube channel, Pixie Dust and Peaches. They're both on Instagram, so Pixie Dust and Peaches and Bells of Cotton. I'll put the links on the screen, and I'll put them down below as well. So if you don't check them out, go and check them out. They're wonderful ladies with the biggest hearts ever. And incredibly funny, informative. And if you collect pins, well, yeah, just go, because you'll see all their pins and you'll be so tempted. So that's all for now. Thanks so much for watching. If you've not clicked subscribe yet, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell. I can never say it, so you don't miss out on any more of my videos, and give me a thumbs up. But thank you so much, and I'll see you very soon. Bye for now. Bye.